2015 Dodge Ram 1500. Earlier in the year, we put a super tent on it, and it wasn't loud enough for him, so he brought it back, and we cut the super tent off and put a Y pipe in its place up there. Still got all the stock converters, so you don't have to take the converters to make it loud. 3-inch system into a 3-inch to 2.5 tip Y pipe right there. Then we did 2 new tailpipes on it earlier in the year, and black tips on each side, right there and right there. And there's the duals on it. There's that Y pipe we just put on, right there. You wanted it louder, so it's the Big Horn edition. It'll sound a lot better, a lot louder. That's the super tent we just cut off. 2000 Dodge Ram 1500 5.9 liter. What we done on it for you guys today is still got all the stock converters. One right there, one big one. Then we wide it out and straight piped it with 3-inch to 2.25 tailpipes, and then 3.5-inch tips. One here, one here. This is how you get them dualed out, boys and girls. There's the Y pipe on it. This is how when it's done right. There it is right there. Let you guys hear it in a second. Big Horn edition. What's going on, buddy? How are you? Let you guys hear it on the inside. That's some nice wheels on it. That's what we like to hear. It sounds like a beast. Now I'll let you guys hear it on the inside.
Inside the Dodge truck,